Yo, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how you can simply transfer money from your Jio Wallet to your bank account. So watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and also hit the subscribe button because that actually helps me out. So let's get started with the process on how you can simply transfer money from your Jio Wallet to your bank account. So let's get started with that. So in this process, I'm going to walk you through a simple guide on how to transfer the money from your Jio Wallet. So let's get started. So the first thing to do is to open the Jio Money app and log in to your account using your account credentials. Then from there, go to send money and select to bank account. Then enter the bank details, which is your account number and your IFSC code. Then once that is input, then enter the amount you want to transfer. Then confirm and complete the transaction. And here's the most key important note. This is very important. You have to note this. KYC verification is required for bank transfer. So if you haven't done that, you have to go do that now. Then after that, transaction fee may apply based on your Jio Money policy. And if you don't see the option, contact your Jio Money support for rectification. And that's how you can simply transfer money from your Jio Wallet to your bank account. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button, and subscribe for more.